Hey everyone, how you doing? Today is our first Think and Make Thursday, and I'm really excited because we're incorporating a little geometry along with patterning and algebra today. And I love that because math naturally is so integrated. All the strands are really hard to pick apart as much as we do in textbooks. First, I want to review some key terminology with you. We are going to make some 3D solids, and then I want you to look for some patterns. So first, a polygon is there's three things you need to know about a polygon. It is two-dimensional, meaning flat. It is a closed shape, meaning it's not just a bunch of open line segments, they are closed. And last but not least, it only has straight edges or straight sides. So circles, ovals, hearts, those are not polygons. These are the shapes that we are going to be talking about for the base of our three-dimensional shapes today. We are going to be looking at different pyramids specifically. So a pyramid has a polygon base and then has all edges coming up from their vertices to a point, meeting at the top. A face is a flat surface on a three-dimensional object, and the edge is where two faces meet. Okay, and the vertices are where different edges meet. Those are important terms today. I used Play-Doh with toothpicks to make. So you need toothpicks to represent the edges and Play-Doh little balls to represent the vertices. You may use anything that works. I was going to use the last few marshmallows we have in our cupboard for the vertices because they would stick. Raisins. I don't suggest chewing gum. Something along those lines. We also have at our house, I forget what they're called, but they're like these balls with holes in them, and you can put sticks in them and actually physically build three-dimensional solids. So the first solid I want you to make is a triangular based pyramid. That is a triangular base with edges coming up from all the vertices to a point at the top. The second one I want you to make is a square based pyramid. And the third one I want you to make is a pentagonal or pentagonal based pyramid. That is a pentagon for the base, 5-sided polygon. You guys go do that, pause the video, and then come back to me afterwards. Once you finish making your little models, I want you to make a little chart like this one. Fill it all out with the number of edges and the number of vertices for each solid, and then this is where I want you to look for a pattern. Can you predict, for example, if I asked you to imagine making a pyramid with a base of 100 sides? I'm not going to even try making that. That seems near impossible. But there is a relationship between the base in a pyramid and the number of edges and vertices that it has. And I want you to try to find it. If you're able to, form an equation to solve the number of edges based on the number of sides on the pyramid's base, and another equation for the number of vertices in relation to the number of sides on the base. The next step, after you think you found the pattern, is to think about the number of faces in the pyramid. The next step would be to follow the same activity with prisms. A prism is two bases connected with a bunch of rectangular faces going all the way around. The goal here is to be able to find the number of edges, vertices, and faces in any prism, any pyramid, no matter how many sides are on the base. Okay? Good luck with this. Tune in tomorrow. I will do a little follow-up in case you were really stumped or you want to see if what you found was accurate.